Hi guys, in this video I will show you another example on how to use an advanced digital multimeter, in this instance the Hioki DT4261, to capture and record voltage sag or voltage dip, or some would say voltage drop, during startup of a load. In my particular setup, I connected my 1 horsepower 3-phase induction motor to the single-phase to 3-phase digital phase shifter, which in turn is connected to the same outlet as my instrument, the DT4261. Now inside the DT4261, I installed the Z3210 wireless adapter. This enables the instrument, or the DT4261, to transfer data wirelessly later on, direct to Excel, using its HID, or Human Interface Device functionality. To enable the data capture of the voltage dip, I will press or use the min-max function. To start the electric motor, voltage dropped, or voltage dipped down to 217.8 volts. To transfer the data stored in the instrument to the spreadsheet, press the hold button. Notice how the spreadsheet fills up with data automatically. Now I have not yet formatted the spreadsheet, but the operator can just use it later on to format the table in any manner he or she likes. The first value there, 224.9 volts, that is the value at the outlet when I pressed the hold button. The next value there, 60.06, is the frequency, 60.06 Hertz. The next value is the maximum value monitored, 224.8 volts. And the minimum value, this is the voltage sagged to value, 217.8 volts. The next value is the average value, 222.2 volts. 297 is the maximum peak value, and minus 297 volts is the negative peak value. Let's try that again. Transferring data. So there you have it, guys. This is how to use the Hioki DT4261 to capture voltage sag during startup of a load by engaging the min-max function button and by connecting the instrument wirelessly to a mobile device with a spreadsheet open there. You can also document the results with less chances of error, because the data is wirelessly and automatically transferred to the spreadsheet. Please support my channel by subscribing and giving me a thumbs up and sharing this video. If you have any comments or suggestions, please write them down below. Thank you for watching.